Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to fix SD card not detected in your Bluetooth speaker. You can able to solve these type of problems very easily. So firstly, before that, make sure if after you inserted your SD card in your Bluetooth speaker, if you entered into the SD card mode or not. If there is any option, just to check that whether you are entered into the SD card mode or not. If the SD card mode is not shown, always it plays in the Bluetooth mode means, then you need to format the SD card. So this is the first step. So to fix this, just insert your SD card into your smartphone. I'm currently having some adapters and OTG cables. I'm going to connect it using this method. And before that, in your Android smartphone, just go to the Google Play Store and search for FAT32 SD card formatter. Here is the first application, USB Tools. Just install this application and open it. Now just insert your SD card or try connecting your SD card using your OTG cable. So now it shows allow USB tools like that. Just click on OK. So if it is not detected, try it again by just reconnect it again and again, and also close the app and again open it so you can able to see the option. So now it actually detected. Now it shows the mass storage here. The size is 8 GB memory card, so it shows 7.4 GB. And before formatting the SD card to FAT32, firstly back up all your songs to your phone storage. So now just click on format USB. Now here is the file system. Select here FAT32. Enter the label name and click on format. Once you watch the video, you will get a 1 coin. Now you click on the format. Click on OK. Now the format completed successfully. So just to click on the OK. If you have a Windows PC, just right click your SD card and click on format and specifically choose the system as FAT32 and select the size as a default allocation size and just enter the label name and click on the quick format. After you formatted, now you can see your storage. Just open it. Now just copy all your song files here. So once you formatted your SD card, again take it back and try insert into your Bluetooth speaker. So after inserted, try turn on your Bluetooth speaker.
Zebronics, always ahead. Micro SD mode.
Now you can see it automatically goes to the SD card mode. Well, in this way you can solve the SD card not detected on your Bluetooth speaker by just formatting your SD card into FAT32 file system. Well, that's it about this video guys, and hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.